So the first step in the CO2 carve process is to make sure that you know which way the wood is facing. There's an angle on here, and when you look at the wood, it needs to be perfectly straight. That is the correct side, meaning that this is the top. If it was this direction, you could see it's sloped, and that is not correct. On here, this is called a fixture, and there is a top and a bottom, and each one of the fixtures are labeled like that. This is going to allow us to slide the wood blank into the fixture, and that'll hold it and keep it from spinning left to right. There's an on switch in the front of the drill press. You can turn that on. And this handle on the right will allow you to bring the drill bit down. Now you should be holding this down because I'm videoing. I do not have an extra free hand. And that will easily drill our rear hole. We have to wait until it comes to a complete stop before we go ahead and we try to take it out. Which again, you would come from the side and take that out. So the next fixture is also on a drill press, but it faces this direction. Again, the bottom is where the hole for the axle is drilled. This is going to allow us to slide the metal axle through and add our wheels. So on here, we're not going to jam it in, we're just going to set it in carefully, making sure that the top is with the top and the bottom is with the bottom. Same process. Press it on. And get it down. And then carefully back up. At this point, we have the two holes, the front and the rear axle hole drilled. This eliminates measurement and makes it a lot easier. The next one is a vertical fixture, and this is going to be to allow us to drill the hole for the air port. Again, this is labeled top and bottom. The thing with this is, there is a drill bit right above the fixture. So if we were to place it in on the top like this, we're going to have issues. And I guarantee you, if you go to take it out and you lift up, your hand is going to hit this drill bit, and that's going to hurt severely. So to avoid that, the correct way to put this in is to line the top with the top and the bottom with the bottom, and you're going to come in from the side, okay? And that will allow it to slide in here. At that point, this is set for the depth, so you will reach the farthest hole that we are going to drill when this metal item hits this other metal item. A little bit different, but there's a green button, and that's going to start. And I'm going to start drilling. Hopefully it does not move on me. And you'll see we are now drilling the hole. And you will both feel and see that you are at the depth that you need. You'll feel it by pushing down on the handle, and don't try to get crazy because you will snap the handle. But at this point, we know that we've reached our depth. Help it, and we see it right back up. Stop. Now again, this is super important. We're going to wait until that comes to a complete stop. If it gets stuck in here, please let me know. I have a screwdriver here to easily take it out. Definitely don't try and lift up. If it gets stuck and you grab your hand, you're going to really hurt yourself. So the only way that we're going to get it out is the same way we placed it in. We're going to push out to the side, and then we can take it out. Now you can see that we have both the front and the back holes drilled for our axles, as well as the port for our air. At this point, we can go ahead and add our design that we've created on a graph paper, and we want to double check and make sure that we are not cutting in to the air port or the axles, because if we do that, then our car is ruined and we have to restart.